Welcome back, VA user. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set up a certain field always updatable. When I would say always updatable, it means that after processing a certain record, even I need to enter the certain values in a certain column. So I would be able to set up those columns as always updatable, and as a result, even after completion of the document, the user would be able to enter the details. So I would like to showcase you so you can see here at the level of the drafted stage, you would be able to make the changes anywhere. Okay, but when it is the stage of a completion, it means the document status is either completed, reversed, void, so in such a cases or closed. In such a cases, you would not be able to make the changes at this particular place. Now, let's move on to the order line, and at the level of the order line, you can see my description. I would be able to enter anything, even the record is processed, right? But into the print description, I won't be able to enter anything. Now, if I want to print something and the record is already processed, then the system has to give this feature to enter even the print description after the completion of a certain record. Now, if I want to set this column as an editable column after the completion of the document, I would be able to do so. I just need to set up my column as always updatable. Now, how I would be able to do so? So we just need to log in into the system tenant, and as I have logged into the system tenant using the super user, thereafter we have the column, or we have the window called database schema, and in this database schema you just need to check which table you want to make the changes. So my table is C_order line. I would copy this and I will come here at the database schema. I will enter here. This is the order line, and now at the level of the order line, I would be able to check my column. So my column is print description, so I will search for description. So here is the column print description. Now scroll it down and you will click here as always updatable and save this record. Now move back, close this, say cache reset, and then we'll open the sales order again. And we'll select one of the completed documents. So it is the completed document. Move on to the order line. And then I would be able to say print description is editable mode. And now I would be able to enter and save this record, even the record is a completed record. So that is how you would be able to set a particular field as always updatable. But please ensure, do not mark any of the field as always updatable. That has the functional consequences, like your warehouses, the payment terms, since there is a functionality executed by the system at the background. But yes, if it is about the comment, about the descriptions, then you would be able to set up always updatable. So these are the things that you just need to consult with your functional consultant or the business analyst, and thereafter they will let you know which are all the fields to be marked as always updatable. That's all in this particular video. If you think that you would be able to set up your fields as always updatable, then I would request you to like our video and subscribe our channel. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.